Hello everyone, today we are going through Overlord IX Arnor Ruins. We will take you through the 3 bosses. For the first boss, there is pretty much only 4 skills. So once you get used to it, pretty much it is a repetition. So the first skill is Fragrance. It first started with a 2 ways AoE and all you need is just to dodge it. So the second one is called Toxic Pollen. 2 players will get hit by this skill. Whoever gets hit needs to be dispelled immediately, if not he will be dead, just like the one in the video here. So the third skill is Butterfly Breath. Everyone will get hit by this skill, so you just need to dodge it. As you can see, the mechanism starts to repeat itself at 70%. So red caps will start spawning at about 68%. You need to focus on the red caps and quickly kill them before they explode. When the skill repeats, it gets more and more difficult as the boss HP lowers. This skill is now casting a 3-way and you just have to dodge it again. Even the Toxic Pollen will now hit more players. Instead of 2, it's hitting 3 now. When the boss HP reaches 50%. And Butterfly Breath will now hit twice. So you just need to dodge twice. So at 30%, all the mechanism will be at its hardest. Fragrance will pretty much have 4 directions that it hits. You just have to dodge. Pollen will now hit everyone, so make sure the dispel is ready. So for the second boss, it has 6 skills. Fragrance is the repetition of the skill from the first boss. And for the second boss, the main skill is about the flower poison stack. Take note that the stack must not hit 30. The next skill is called Win. You need to gather together to share the damage. Also take note that the boss needs to switch before 70% HP. The HP will be checked at 66% and you must not have a difference of more than 10%. As you can see, when you're moving towards the second boss, the boss already start casting its skill. You either quickly jump into the boss so that you can dodge the skill, or you wait outside. Similarly, the boss will cast another rally skill, so you need to rally and yet check the boss HP to make sure the difference is not too much. When approaching the first boss again, the boss will now cast a Nightmare AoE. Only one needs to be inside to prevent everyone from getting killed. The Nightmare will provide a stack and you cannot get hit by Nightmare again for the next 99 seconds. And yes, pretty much that's it. The skill will continue to repeat itself and you can slowly finish out the boss. For easy reference, I have also recorded all the different HP percentage for the different skills that will be casted by the boss.
Who can free me from this? Is that you, Trelleron? Gather together to share the damage.
Once the boss reaches 33%, there will be no more HP check, so you can focus on one boss before going to the other. So after going through all the trouble, you are at the last boss. The last boss has 7 skills. The first skill is a cross shape AoE, so you just have to stay out of the cross shape. The next skill is Fatal Gaze at about 93%. You have to turn your back towards the boss so you don't get confused like me. So Sorcery Flower is a half circle AoE. You just have to stay away from the circle and you'll be okay. So Flower Strafe is the skill I hate the most. The nearer you are to the boss, the easier you are to move and dodge the skill. If you are further, it's a bit harder to dodge. So stay as close as you can from the boss. At 65%, the cross-shape AoE repeats again, and all the skills will start repeating itself. So if you dodge Fatal Gaze correctly, just like this time around, you will not get confused. At 50%, the boss will cast this skill where it teleports you to the initial area for you to start collecting all the toys. Iron Wheel unfortunately does not work because if you move when the boy's eyes is open, you are dead. So at about 35%, the boss will cast two skills. One is Eye of Gaze, just like this one. Two players will get hit. You have to quickly go to the corner. You have about 6 seconds, so don't panic. Choose a nice corner to drop. If you drop it correctly, this blue gaze will be facing out, just like the picture. The blue gaze earlier will now open its eyes, so stay away to not get damaged, because there will be two AoE happening at the same time, as you can see. This is the second round of the toy collection. As you can see, there is some blockage along the way that you need to clear. Take your time to just quickly clear your way through so you can complete collecting all 4 toys again. And remember, do not move when the eyes are open because you will die immediately. Once you are done, it's pretty much burned down, so you can burn the boss down as quickly as you can. Just take note that at 5% there will be another Eye of Gaze. Just to be on the safe side, I recommend placing the Eye of Gaze correctly so that we have plenty of time to kill the boss. And congratulations, you have completed killing the boss. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel.